Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor as well as associate professor vacancies in one of the state university. Here huge vacancies are there from the multiple departments, and coming to the assistant professor, the salary may be 57,700 rupees per month, and all these are the permanent posts. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. So while coming to the present content of the video, so here you can check down. So selection criteria for direct recruitment as per the UGC regulations given here, and the minimum qualifications. Okay, so the vacancies are there from the Cochin University of Science and Technology. And here coming to the professor, these are all the regular posts. Here the last date for online submission and last date for hard copy submission also given here. So coming to the professor category, there are vacancies from chemistry, economics, oceanography, polymer science and rubber technology. And coming to the associate professor, economics and electronics, geology, physical oceanography, physics, ship technology, school of photonics and the legal studies. And coming to the assistant professor, here the two types of vacancies are there in the assistant professor. One is the regular basis and second one is the contract basis, okay, that you can check down. So in the regular basis, the Department of Biotechnology, Chemical Oceanography, Electronics, Hindi and Marine Geology and Geophysics. And coming to the contract basis appointments, the Center for Integrated Studies and the Department of Chemical Oceanography. And coming to the School of Engineering, here the last date for submitting in the School of Engineering is completed already because they given the December 12th is last date. Okay. So anyhow, for the regular jobs, here the last date for online submission is January 18th, 2021. Okay, so if you want to check the details regarding the individual subjects, then you can click down here. So if you click on the particular link, then you will be directed to the notification, general instructions, and for the registration purpose, you can click here, and hard copy submission to the university, you can click down here. Okay, so these are all the general notifications. General instructions given here. The web page contains the links for various posts notified in the university. So click on the link and go to the new registration tab and enter your details. Then you will be provided with the username and the password, and you have to upload your photograph. Okay, and then you have to make the different profile for applying the different posts. Okay, so few general instructions are given here. You may follow this. And while coming to the posts, regular post in the assistant professor category, so you can check down. Each and every department is having the only single vacancy. Here the based upon the caste category also mentioned here, and the subject or specialization also mentioned. So, and the assistant professor category 6 vacancies are there, and associate 13 vacancies are there. And coming to the professor, 6 vacancies are there. So all these are the regular jobs. Okay. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC candidates who are preparing for the UGC exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC exam in the 2021. So both the UGC paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.